All right, I'm going to just show you how to do the node editing. So first, I asked you to go here and open up fill and stroke. If it's not open already, it's under the object menu. And then turn off the fill, turn on the stroke, and let's set it to red. This would be 255, 00, 100, and this would be 0 and then 100. And then I want the stroke to be 0.1 millimeters. All right, and now it's with it still selected. We're going to go up here to path and say object to path. And now notice when we double click, we get nodes. You have to double click a couple times instead of the text edit tool, because these aren't text objects anymore. They're paths. And now I suggest you zoom in on part of one of the letters. We're going to break nodes. So double click so we get the nodes. See, we got nodes here. If you don't have nodes, then you have to make sure you selected everything and said object to path. Then you double click to get the nodes. So I'm going to select this node, and we're going to choose this tool, break path at selected nodes. And I'm going to break this one here, select it, and break. And then I'm going to double click here. I added a new node, and I'm going to break it there. And I'm going to double click it here. You can see a little square up here when you've succeeded. Added a node. So now I'm going to click between the two nodes I broke, and I'm going to delete. I'm going to click the two nodes between the two nodes, and I'm going to delete. So this is node editing. Then I'm going to select these two at the same time, and then I'm going to choose this one, which is join them with a segment. And I'm going to move, well, I thought I was going to move one of these, but it's moving. It's fine. Then I'm going to select these two, and I'm going to join them with a segment. So you're just going to repeat this process down here at the bottom of the D, and then you're going to do it over at the top of the 8 and the bottom of the 8. So you're going to do that 4 times. When you're done with that, I'm asking you to select the whole thing and then choose ungroup from the object menu. And then I'm asking you to write your name in all caps. And make your name a little smaller. And then I want your name to be overlapping one of the letters, and then select that letter and your name and say path union and see how it loses its fill and becomes part of the thing. And then I'm asking you very clearly to save the file with your name and node editing. And I'd save it on the desktop, turn it in on the Google Classroom. By the way, this one isn't done because I'm asking you to do a break on the top, a break on the bottom, a break on the top, and a break on the bottom. So you're doing that process 4 times. Then you're putting your name somewhere, probably not right across the break. I put my name on the PDF. I put it up sideways here, but right here it was tempting to throw it right there. All right, I hope this helps.